Hello, my lovely dear students. How are you feeling this awesome, wonderful morning? I welcome all of you once again to our daily guided meditation live stream. And today I have got an awesome meditation for the classroom. And in today's meditation, we are going to employ some simple but extremely powerful and mindful breathing techniques to make you change the way you feel and most importantly be able to go inwards and find what's good within us. So having said that, without any further ado, let's get started. So in today's meditation, children, just for a moment I want all of you to close your eyes and sit down in a comfortable position. You can either sit down in a chair or sit down on the floor, or if you want for today's meditation, you can also keep standing. But whichever way you choose to do our meditation today, just make sure that your spine is nice and tall and erect. Just imagine, just visualize that your spine is a nice long string, or it is a nice long light rope, and this light rope is just lighting up with your energy, okay? So just imagine that you have this light rope within you and you're now sitting or standing nice and tall, and just slowly close your eyes. And some of the students I know, they find it really hard to keep their eyes closed. So if you feel a little nervous or fearful while closing your eyes, and if closing your eyes makes you feel uncomfortable, then you can just keep them open. However, I advise you to close your eyes, and if you are not able to do that, if closing your eyes makes you feel quite restless, like some of the students do feel restless, then I suggest that you just try to look down, try to look slightly down, and try to go past through your nose. Are you understanding? So you don't have to really try to look at the tip of your nose because that's going to be highly uncomfortable, but just dip your gaze, just try to look down, just drop your gaze down and go right past through the center of your nose. Just try to go right past through your nose in the downward direction and just keep your gaze there, okay? I just want you to dip your gaze slightly in the downward direction and try to make your gaze go right through your nose in the downward direction. And now, having settled down on that gaze, and if you are comfortable in closing your eyes, then I would suggest that you do so for this meditation. And just sit or stand, making sure that your spine is erect. All right? Just close your eyes and once take a deep breath along with me. Taking a deep breath to just find your focus. Taking all your focus inward and bringing all your attention to your breath. And once you have all your attention centered on your breath, try to just become more and more aware of the surroundings that you are in. Become more conscious and more mindful of the space that you are in. Okay? Take a deep inhale once more with me. And slowly exhale it out. We are going to do this meditation together, children. I am also going to be meditating along with you. Take a deep inhale once again, trying to find that inward focus and slowly breathe it out, bringing all your awareness to your breath and also bringing all your awareness to the space that you are in. And once you have centered all your awareness onto your breath, we are now finally ready to start with our meditation together. So once again, either you can close your eyes softly or just dip your gaze downwards and try to go past through your nose all the way in the downward direction. Having done that, keeping your awareness on your breath, we took a couple of long breaths just a few seconds ago to find our focus inwards and to build our attention onto our breath. Now that we have done that, I want you to Stop breathing so deeply and just carry on with the normal rhythm and the normal pace of your breathing. But all I want you to do is to just keep your awareness focused on that breath. Sometimes there may be a little sound here and there, a quick distraction somewhere outside here and there, and your mind will tend to wander. It's very natural, students, so don't get worried about it. If your mind does get distracted, if your mind does wander, then gently just bring it back once again to your breath and carry on once again with the normal breathing process, with the normal pace and the rhythm of your breath. There is no need to try to change the pace of your breath. There is no need to manipulate your breath, okay? And just keep breathing normally for a few seconds here, making sure that your spine is straight. And now let's start with our breathing exercise or our pranayam. All that I want you to do is take a deep inhale, as deep as you can, and slowly, slowly breathe it out through your mouth. And there is nothing wrong in making those sounds here as you exhale, okay? So keeping my eyes closed, I'm going to take a deep inhale with you and breathe it out. Have you understood? Now we are going to do this 5 times, okay? Now as we take a deep inhale in and slowly, slowly breathe it out through our mouths, I want you to bring all your awareness to this deep breathing of yours, okay? Keep all your attention, keep all your awareness focused on this deep breathing. That's all. So let's start taking a deep breath in and slowly, slowly breathe it out. 4 more to go. Take a deep breath in and breathe it out. 3 more. Take a deep breath in and breathe it out. 2 more. Take a deeper breath in, all the way in, filling up your entire lungs. And slowly, slowly breathe it out. This time, as you take the deepest inhale in, I want you to feel your belly, touch your belly, and how it is inflating like a huge balloon. And gently breathe that out also. Wonderful, students. Now you may just open your eyes. And we're going to start the second part of our meditation. But before we do that, I just want you to feel how this deep breathing process made you feel, or how this deep breathing process changed the way you were feeling, okay? Now let's start the second part of the meditation. For this meditation, close your eyes. I know that by now we are halfway through and you have already started to feel a little more calm and relaxed. So it will be much more easy for you to close your eyes at this stage of the meditation. Keeping your eyes closed, I want you to keep one hand on your heart and take your other hand and keep it on your belly very softly. And let's start with the same deep breathing pranayam once again. So you will take a deep inhale and you will slowly, slowly breathe it out through your mouth. And once again, there is no harm in making those sounds as you exhale through the mouth. Okay, so let's start doing this together. Take a deep inhale and breathe it out. Every time you take a deep inhale, students, I want you to feel how your belly is expanding. It's inflating like a huge balloon. Like the way you fill up those balloons, you blow in air into those balloons, and you can see how those balloons inflate and they become rounder and rounder and they become huge. So imagine your belly is like a balloon. And as you inhale, you're actually filling that balloon with air and air and air. And then I want you to imagine how this belly of yours, just like a balloon, is becoming inflated. It's becoming rounder and rounder, bigger and bigger. And then slowly, slowly, you will exhale all the air out gently through your mouth. Okay, so we have 4 more to go. One hand on your heart, other hand on your belly. Take a deep inhale in, filling up your lungs entirely, noticing how your belly is inflating with each deep inhale like a huge balloon. And slowly, slowly breathe it out. 3 more to go, students. Take a deep inhale and breathe it out. 2 more to go. Take a deep inhale once again and breathe it out through the mouth. One last time, take the deepest inhale yet. Take the deepest inhale that you have taken throughout your day so far. And gently breathe it out as well. Oh, wonderful. Slowly bring your hands down, relax your fingers, and allow your hands to rest either in your lap or on your knees on either side. You may open your eyes along with me, and we will quickly give our neck some nice gentle stretches. So as if you were saying no to somebody, start stretching your neck from side to side. You go left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right. And now, as if you are nodding and saying a yes to somebody, you must be knowing about the character of Noddy in Toy Town, written by Enid Blyton, right? Some of our favorite books right there. So imagine that you are nodding. Or if you're not noddy, you're just saying yes to somebody and nodding your head. How would you do it? Down and up, down and up. Just continue doing that 5 more times. Just continue doing that 4 more times. 3 more. And 2 and 1. Come back to center, relax, open your eyes, have a nice big smile on your faces. One last time before we wind up this pranayam. Take the deepest inhale. Now, what do I mean by your deepest inhale, children? The deepest inhale that you have taken all the day so far. The deepest inhale that you have taken right from the time you woke up this morning to this point in the day when you are doing this meditation with me. What has been your deepest inhale so far? Take your deepest inhale for the day, the deepest that you have taken yet in your day. All right, take a deep inhale in, deepest inhale in, and slowly, slowly release that as well. Now sit nice and tall and straight. Take a moment to just focus inward once again and feel how you are feeling now. Just take all your attention, all your awareness inward for 5 seconds and try to understand how you are feeling now. Or try to understand how your feelings have changed now. Children, you may feel like this is a very simple breathing technique, but it's a very powerful breathing technique. It's a very powerful and a simple pranayam at the same time. It really is very effective in making you feel in a much better and a much more positive manner. So there can be days, when you're having a really hard day, or you're having a very tough morning, for example, or you may be having difficulty sleeping at night or relaxing at night. So if you're going through those tough times right now, and if you just take out 5 minutes from your day, sit down or just keep standing and do this simple breathing exercise, but a very powerful and a very effective breathing exercise at the same time. If you perform this for 5 minutes, you will really start noticing how your feelings change and how your emotions change. Suddenly, from being highly stressed or worried, you will realize, you will understand that you are now beginning to feel more calm and more relaxed. So suddenly you will feel that your day has become better, your mornings have become more bright, more positive, and more cheerful. And even during night time, when you're going to bed, you will realize that it is easier for you to relax and it is easier for you to fall asleep. And who does not want to relax? Who does not want to be able to go off to sleep as early as we can? For example, myself, the moment I lie down in my bed, I just want to be asleep. So even during your bedtime, even during your night time, if you're having trouble relaxing or trouble falling asleep, you can just do this pranayam sitting comfortably in bed only for 5 minutes, and you will realize that suddenly it is a lot more easy for you to relax, and it is also a lot more easy for you to go off to sleep at your bedtime. Having said that, once again, take all your attention inwards and try to understand how you are feeling now. And try to understand how different you are feeling now. How different from the way you were feeling before doing this pranayam. How different from that time are you feeling now after having completed this pranayam? Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it great? Aren't you feeling more relaxed, more peaceful, more happy, more joyous, more cheerful, and most importantly, more positive? I'm sure you are. Having said that, take this guided meditation with you. You can replay this meditation anytime you want, any number of times you want, and you can perform this meditation for not just 5 minutes, for more than 5 minutes also if you want. So keep this meditation safe with you. It is already there on YouTube, and anytime you are missing me, or anytime you are feeling that you are going through a tough time and you are becoming more worried and stressed, all you have to do is just find me on YouTube, find this video, play this video once again, and do this meditation once again with me anytime, anywhere, and any number of times that you want to. And if you want to go for a longer version of this meditation, then all that you have to do is simply replay this meditation over and over again till you want. All right? I hope you're feeling more refreshed, more relaxed, and more rejuvenated. And with that, I'm going to see you once again tomorrow with another brand new guided meditation for all of you to make sure that you are having a great time during this lockdown with yourself and with your family. Remember, my lovely students, we are all in this together and we will come out of this together. And when you look back at this time, you're going to say to yourself, I used that time well. And you're going to say that if you're smart enough. And I know that you are smart. Love you all. Every day, like always, today also, I'm going to send you a lot of love, a lot of light towards you. I'm going to be sending a lot of positive vibrations towards you when I'm going to be doing my meditations and my breathing exercises. So always feel and always realize that I am there somewhere around you. I am there somewhere close to you. Anytime you want to reach out to me, to talk to me, to share your feelings and thoughts and emotions with me, always remember that I am close to you. Always remember that I am somewhere around, somewhere close to you. And most importantly, please remember that you can reach out and contact me anytime that you want to contact me. You have my phone number, you have my email address. Always feel free and never ever hesitate in contacting me and talking to me, because I would love to reach out to you and I would love to help you in any way possible. I would love to reach out and help you in all my capacity, with all my capacity, with all my heart. I love you all. God bless you.